Trying to pick between investing.com and Moneycontrol? Let's break down which platform actually works better for you. Investing.com is a global financial website that gives you live data, charts, and news for stocks, forex, commodities, and crypto. It covers markets from around the world. You get real-time prices, economic calendars, and tools that help you track investments globally. It's popular with both beginner and semi-professional traders. The interface is clean and easy to use. Plus, you can customize watch lists to follow exactly what matters to you. Moneycontrol is India's top financial portal. It tracks stocks, futures, options, mutual funds, and commodities from BSE, NSE, MCX, and NCDEX exchanges. It offers market updates, financial news, and portfolio management tools specifically for Indian investors. The app even helps with personal loans and fixed deposits. Moneycontrol Pro gives you real-time stock recommendations and deeper analysis for serious investors. Here's the main split. Investing.com is your go-to for global markets. Want to track US stocks, European indices, or international commodities? That's where it shines. Moneycontrol focuses purely on Indian markets. If you're investing in Indian stocks, mutual funds, or tracking Sensex and Nifty, this is built for you. Both have free versions with basic features and paid plans for advanced tools. So which wins? It depends on where you invest. For Indian market investors who want local news, BSE and NSE data, and rupee-focused tools, Moneycontrol is better. For global traders tracking multiple countries, currencies, and international assets, investing.com takes the lead. Pick the one that matches your investment style. Simple as that. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.